Welcome to Input and Output. In this chapter, we will explore how to interact with users and handle input and output operations in our programs. Let's dive in. Reading user input from the keyboard. Reading user input is an essential part of many programs. We can use input functions or methods provided by the programming language to read user input. The input function allows users to enter data through the keyboard, which can be stored in variables for further processing. For example, we can use the input function to prompt the user for their name. Name equals input. Enter your name. Displaying output to the console or terminal. Displaying output is an important way to communicate information to the user. We can use output functions or methods provided by the programming language to display messages or results. The print function is commonly used to display output to the console or terminal. For example, we can use the print function to display the message "Hello World." Print "Hello World." Working with files for input and output operations. In addition to keyboard input and console output, we can also work with files for input and output operations. Files allow us to read data from external sources or store data for future use. We can use file handling functions or methods provided by the programming language to read from and write to files. For example, to read from a file, we can open the file in read mode. File equals open, data.txt, R. And to write to a file, we can open the file in write mode. File equals open, data.txt, woo. In this chapter, we explored input and output operations in programming. We learned how to read user input from the keyboard, display output to the console or terminal, and work with files for input and output operations. These concepts are essential for creating interactive programs and handling data in various forms. Keep practicing and experimenting with input and output operations to strengthen your programming skills. Thank you for joining us in this chapter. Stay curious and keep coding.